Welcome to Quality Branding Hub. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today is my first live session about the quality control and quality assurance in the construction. Today, what I am discuss now. This channel is for the quality control engineer. For what is the purpose of this channel? To bring together and to grow together and to get success in the construction industry. So, what in terms of success, what is that? The success in terms of the project success as well as the career success, because we are all working for our career growth and career success. So, it is always advisable to become a career successful people. So, today what I will discuss? I will discuss that how to minimize the product non-conformity in the project size, because whatever the process you are following, everything is in the place, but what is happening, it can be possible that product non-conformity can happen. So what is our target? So it is mitigate or it is minimize the product non-conformity. How we can do that? There are several ways, but today I will discuss on only one things for the product non-conformity, how you can manage. So what is that one? That was in the training and the development. In the construction quality control, the training and development has a huge impact. It literally gives you the boost. It literally gives you the product conformity on the any types of work. But why it is important? I will show you the 6 parameters which is determined that the training and development is essential and important, and it is an integral part of the quality control. So let's start. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And if you have any questions, please write in the comment box. I will here to answer this one, and I will be happy to help you in your career growth. So let's start. The topics is why training and development is important in the quality control. The first things is it reduces the rework and wastage. Now what is rework? Rework is mean that what is in the specification, what is in the drawing, you have done not done the same work. That means what it is intended to do, that it is not as per the requirement. So that is why you need to rectify or you need to demolish the work and you need to do the work again. That is the rework. Now what the problem with the rework? The rework problem is, if the rework is there, that means time is important, time is required, and for the rework the cost of poor quality, that means money is involved, that means budget will increase, time will increase, and the same way it will ruin the reputation of the organization. And if the reputation is in a problem, what is happening? You will not get the benefit or you will not get the repeated business. For any business, you should get the repeated one. So that is why it is important that you should get the repeated business. So for that, what you need to do? You need to reduces the rework, and if you reduces the rework, what will happen? It will minimize the wastage. So project cost will be less. Not only the project cost, we are working in the mother earth and we are living in the mother earth. So whatever the material we are taking from the mother earth. Now if we are taking more material from the mother earth, what will happen? One day the product, this environment will be in a problem. So what is happening? Sustainability will be the problem. Nowadays we are all talking about the construction sustainability or sustainable construction. What does it mean? That means that we should always reuse the material whatever is there, and we will give you the boost. That means we are not using anything any. So next is the point is it is helping is the environmental sustainability. So why it is important for the environmental sustainability? Because we are living in this earth. If we cannot protect our earth, how we can live? It is as a bona fide citizen, it's our duty to protect our earth. So now how it can be mitigated with the training and the development? Then it is giving that the training and development, that means the worker. See, you are an engineer or the manager, what will happen? you know everything, but who will work? The worker will do the work. So they are the frontliner. Now what will happen if you are not communicate properly what you need to do? So they will do as per their own, and it will not be as per your project conformity or product conformity. So that is why you need to train them. How we can train them? Whenever the new worker is coming to the site, you need to train them, or whenever the new activity started, you need to train them. And also whenever the periodic training is important. Why? Because you have make a very good presentation and you have give them a very good speech on the training and development about the concreting. Now what is happening? After 15 days, after 1 month, they will forget and they will again start whatever they have in their mind. So what is happening? You will not get the concrete as per your requirement. So that is why the periodic training also important. So the first part is that it is reduces the rework and wastage. So that is why training and development is important. See how, what example we can take. See, there is a bulging can happen, this honeycombing can happen, but if you give them the clarity that the honeycomb, what is honeycomb, what is bulging, what is the misalignment, and how it can be mitigated, so they will do in the site. And if you are not giving the training, they will not do, they will do as per their own. I have seen in so many areas. Okay, Ravish, you are saying that please open an WhatsApp channel or group so we can in the long same. So no, nice to you, Ravish. I will really in the process to make an WhatsApp group, and once it will be ready, I will confirm you the about this WhatsApp group. But be in touch with me. It will be within a 15 days. So next is improve workmanship and quality. Now it is very much important to improve the workmanship quality. If the workmanship quality is not improved, what is happening? You will not get the product what as per the requirement. Now the worker who is doing the compaction of the concrete, if he is not aware what is the size of the needle vibrator, what is the penetration depth, what is the penetration speed, if it is not known by him, he will cannot do that one. So if you give the training and development to them, so they will give you the workmanship quality. So the second point is very much important, that you need to always improve the workmanship quality, and only way that is you need to give them the feedback what you need to do and what you need not to do. Otherwise again they will do as per their own. So this way they are give you the product conformity if you give them the training and development. The next over the same what example we can take? Suppose you are doing the tiling work, and for the tiling work you are using the tiles adhesive. Now as per IS 15477 there are 5 types of tiles adhesive, and for your project it is required type 2, but you have not given that speech to the worker. So there maybe they will start using the mortar, or the thickness are not proper, open time is not proper, shelf life is not proper. What will happen? Product non-conformity, there is a void, there is a misalignment, everything can be happen. So that is why it is important to give them training to improve the workmanship and the quality. And the third is ensuring compliance with IS codes and QMS. Now what is QMS? That is a quality management system. What is quality management system? Quality management system is the company's policy and everything for what you need to do and what you need not to do, and it is integrated this ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and it is integrated all verticals work procedure. So for example, planning group, the execution group, the quality group, purchase group, admin group. So how they will perform, that is all integrated into the quality management system, and this quality management system is the bible of the any organization. And IS code is the bible for the civil engineer. So what you need to do, you need to give them training to the worker for the IS code and for the QMS. Now in IS code it is given the, you need to take the slump, you need to take the temperature whenever the concrete is coming into the site. Now what is the slump requirement? You need to give them training that whenever this grade of concrete, say for M30 grade is coming, slump is coming 150. Now you need to give them training that this is my requirement, and you need to check whenever this material is coming at the site. And what is the temperature? Maybe the temperature is requirement 30, 31, it's or 29, whatever. So you need to inform them that this is my requirement. I mean, it is satisfied, then only it can allow for the concrete. So if you are not giving them the speech or giving them this information, they will not check and they will allow concrete to start. What will happen? The product non-conformity will happen. So ensuring IS code is important and ensuring quality management system is important, and the only way to ensure to give them the proper training and the development in the periodic manner. Otherwise it is not possible to improve the workmanship or improve compliance with the IS code. Why? In the India, is IS code is the Bible, IS code is the mother. So whatever it's mentioning in the IS code, it has to follow at the site. So as a quality engineer, you know this one, that everything is on mine, everything is in the paper, but who will do the work? Again, the worker. So they need to know what you need to know, what it is to be done and what it's not to be done. So that is why it is important to give them the training for the IS code compliance and the quality management system compliance, because quality management system is the quality policy. That means what we will deliver to the customer, that is written in the quality management system. What is our QHSE policy? So that should be well communicated to each and every worker who are working in the site. So these are the third point. What is the fourth point? Increase site safety and risk management. Now what is risk management? Risk management is in any project there is some certain of risk. Suppose you are working in some portion of area where in the monsoon area you are not getting the sand. So this is the risk. If you are not store the sand in the monsoon time, you are cannot work into that time. So that is a risk. So as a quality control engineer, you have to find out what can be the risk. Or if you are working in the height, so what the height permit, or what is the height problem, what is the height hazard is there, or how we can mitigate. These are all everything to be complies into the quality management system. But how it can be ensured to the worker? Again, it is a training. Otherwise, how they will know that what is the hazard can be in the site height work, what is the precaution you need to take, what is the fall height, what is the injury, and what you need to do if any injury can happen. So these are all everything to be mentioned into the project quality plan or as per the project safety plan, but you need to communicate to them so that they can also know or well about the fact, and then they will perform like this. So these are the fourth point, that the increased site safety and the risk management. Then faster problem identification and resolution. See, you have made a very good method statement, you have made a very good inspection test plan, you have made a very good checklist, everything is there. But if it is not communicated, what will happen? The problem will be there at the site until and unless you have made a very good thing, still there will be a problem. All we know that honeycomb is a problem, so we have taking the precaution to prevent the honeycomb. But what is happening? Honeycomb is coming, it's the fact. But if honeycomb is coming, what you need to do? That is the point. And what is the resolution, or what is the solution for that? Because it is coming, misalignment can be happen. So what you need to do? Misalignment, how to minimize that one. So before arising the problem, you need to find out what is happening and why it is happening. So that problem solving skill has to be there. So mitigation plan will be there. So whenever somebody is removing the formwork, if they find out anything in concrete, immediately they will inform you. Otherwise they will not inform, they will say that okay, honeycomb is there, they will feel it's a normal one. Misalignment is there, bulging is there, they will feel it's a normal one, and they will not inform you. So what is happen? You will not get the clarity, or you will not find out the solution. But if you give the proper training to them, that and if this problem can be arise, so whenever they are finding out any problem, immediately they will inform you, and already you have communicated to them. So if there is any problem, what is the mitigation plan? What is the rectification plan? So they knows about this one, so they will inform you and they will do as per the rectification plan. So this way you can find out the first the problem solving identification and the resolution of the problem. So what example you can take, that already discussed, that during deshuttering there can be voids, there can be honeycomb, there can be bulging, there is misalignment and cracks, there are the blowholes, pinholes, that all can be find out. So in this way, if you giving this proper guidelines that this can be happen and this is the mitigation plan, so they will not be in hurry or they will not be in a position to control that one, but they will inform you and they will start the rectification work. So this another things you can help out the site project conformity by using the training and development. So what we discussed, the first point is reduces rework and wastage, then improve workmanship quality, then ensuring compliance with IS codes and QMS, then increase site safety and the risk management, then faster problem identification and resolution. Now if you are following all this, what will happen, your project will be happy, there will be the within the time, within the budget and within the quality. So project will be success. But how it will help, the sixth point is that this training and development can accelerate your career growth. See, all we are working, as I told you earlier also, and we are working and we want our career growth. It's obvious, that is why you are working, and I am here to help you to find how to become successful in the career, in your career. So regarding in your career success, if you have any question you can ask me. I will be here to help you and I will be happy to help you for that. But training and development, how it can be help you for your career growth. See, it's simple. If your project is a success, that means project is delivered within time, within budget and within the quality. That means client is happy and client will give you the more business to the organization. And if the organization is getting more business, you will be identified as a leader, because management is always looking after you. It's a wrong concept throughout the industry. I have seen that people are saying, do whatever, the management is blind, they are not giving you the hike. That means in terms of salary hike, in terms of promotion, in terms of dream job, in terms of recognition, whatever. Some people are thinking that the management is blind, but reality is that, fact is that management is not blind. Management is looking after you each and every time, because what management wants that their project will be within the time, within the budget and within the quality. So what will happen, they will get profit and they will get repeated business from the same owner or the same client. This is the motto of any business, to get the repeated business from the same client. And if they are getting the same things, they will be happy and they will identify as a true potential you have, also they will reward you. So don't take it as a negative one that the management is not looking after this. No, management is not blind, management is open eyed and management is always watching you, and management is always value you and always value your work. So do whatever you need to do, you will get the result. Take it from me, the rest assured, if you are delivered 100% from your side, you will get the result. It is not that you give everything but you are not getting result. It cannot be. This is not the law of nature. Law of nature is that whatever the seeds you are throwing, the same trees you can grow. If you throw the mango seeds, you will get the mango trees. You will not get the apple trees. So the same way in the business, in the career growth also, if you can show to the management that you have the potential, they will value you, they will recognize you and they will give you the reward. And that's why it is the training and development, if you can do properly into site, the product non-conformity cannot happen at your site. And if the product non-conformity happen, rework will not happen, wastage will be not be there, project will be within the time, project will be within the budget, project will be within the quality, and the customer will be happy, customer will give more business, and the management also will give you the raise, or they will give you the reward. So these are the 6 benefits of the training and development in the construction. It is sometimes just it is a making a routine one, we have to do that is why okay, let's do it, but it's not like that. Do it with your full heart, do it your full knowledge, then you will get the product conformity and you will get the result. It is no way you will not get the result, it is a law of nature. If you show, you will get the same things. Okay, so these are the things all about this, why training and development is important in the quality control and how it can help you for your career boost. So I hope you find it useful, and if you have any question you ask me, I am here to have answer your questions, and if you need any help for your career growth, you can ask me, I will be happy to help you. And thank you again for watching me, and I'm waiting for your valuable comment, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will get immediate notification. And thank you once again for watching me. Bye bye.